Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. As a result of the 2014 judgment, the Parliament has introduced a series of bills addressing the rights of transgender people. Stop. Most recently, the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act of 2019 was introduced in July 2019. Stop. Since it nullifies the NALSA judgment, the transgender community has responded negatively to it. Stop. They claim that the new law will not only be insufficient but that it will also revert the gains made to secure the rights of transgender people. Stop. The NALSA ruling recognized the principle of self-declaration as the only legal means by which gender can be determined since psychological or medical evidence. Stop. Similarly, the verdict held that any insistence on sex reconstruction surgery is immoral and illegal. Stop. In this case, the ruling followed the best practices and standards of international law. Stop. The United Nations, for example, requires that medical and legal processes of gender reassignment for transgender people be separate, including the removal of evaluations from psychologists, physicians, or other experts. Stop. Specifically, the Transgender Persons Act 2019 mandates under Section 5 that to legally recognize a transgender identity, an individual must apply for a transgender certificate which will label their gender as transgender. Stop. As part of the new rules, however, the individual must submit a psychologist's report for the certificate of identity. Stop. Additionally, if the individual undergoes surgery to change their gender to male or female, they need to obtain a revised certificate from the district magistrate. Stop. If they can submit proof of their gender confirmation surgery, then the district magistrate has the power to judge the correctness of the application. Stop. It is cumbersome and intrusive to identify and reassign genders under this draft rule. Stop. As far as judging accuracy is concerned, the rules are unclear. Stop. Furthermore, administrators do not need to undergo any training in the subject matter. Stop. In addition to exacerbate humiliation, the inclusion of psychologists, medical proofs, and abusing district administrators goes against the recognition of the right to self-declaration outlined in NALSA. Stop. Abusing transgenders is a punishable offense with a jail term of 6 months to 2 years under Section 18(d) of the Transgender Protection Act 2019. Stop. It can lead to a life sentence or even death for a crime against a cisgender woman. Stop. The person of a lesser punishment reinforces the unequal status of the individuals. Stop. According to the verdict, the government must establish affirmative action measures to increase transgender representation at educational institutions and in government positions. Stop. The Apex Court in NALSA versus Union of India accorded the transgender community an equal constitutional status under the Indian legal matrix for the first time, recognized their fundamental rights under Part 3 of the Constitution. Article 15 explicitly prohibits any discrimination based on gender. Any violation of these rights amounted to a violation of human rights. Stop. However, the judgment offered no legislative framework to operationalize the rights promulgated by the court, despite maintaining the cherished principles of equality, freedom, and freedom of expression. The Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act 2019 to provide a statutory basis for constitutional rights and establish procedures to enforce them was enacted in December 2019. Stop. Note that the previous three drafts of this Act introduced in 2014, 2016 and 2018 lapsed in the Parliament for their regressive provisions such as the establishment of a screening committee to determine if a person was transgender. Stop. Thus, the 2019 Act removed many of these reprehensible provisions and sought to prohibit discrimination against transgender people while advocating for welfare provisions for historically marginalized communities. Over.